Hindi ako papayag na matalo sa larong ito.
Ayun, hindi ako papayag na matalo sa larong ito. I will not allow myself to lose in this game. Check natin.
I won't let myself be defeated in this game.
Hello class! It's me, Kuya Mike, at welcome natin ang ating special guest, si Bossing!
Hello to all of you.
So, Malupiton, are you ready for some Tagalog to English challenge?
Yes, I'm ready. Kupal Mike. Kupal Mike.
Teka lang, boss. Huwag mo ako tawagin kupal. By the way, this time ang special guest natin ang ita-translate into English in 3, 2, 1. Huwag kang maging kupal sa buhay ng ibang tao.
Don't be a dry sperm in other people's lives.
Boss? Grabe naman yan. Dry sperm talaga. Sige na nga. Next. Kung magbibigay ka ng 10,000, hindi na kita bubugbugin.
If you give 10,000, I won't beat you up.
Ayun. Next. Boss, bakit ka nagpapanggap na detective?
Boss, why are you disguising as a detective?
Magaling pala tong si Malupiton. Sunod. Ikaw na nga lang pahinga ko, panay utos ka pa. Go, Malupiton.
You're my only break, but you're still bossing me around.
Teka lang. Bossing me around ka dyan. Wala bang iba?
Alright, I modified my answer.
Right, sige.
You're my only rest, yet you're still giving me orders.
Yun. Mukhang mas okay yun. Nice. Next. Tama ang hinala ko. Hindi ako maaaring magkamali na isa ka ngang kupal.
My suspicion was right. I can't be wrong that you're indeed a scumbag.
Walang kawala, ah. Scumbag. Wow. Hindi na dry sperm, ha? Tulad kanina. By the way, sa English kasi ang scumbag ay isang slang noun that refers to a person who is considered to be number 1, untrustworthy, hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. 2, dishonest. 3, immoral. 4, repulsive. In Tagalog is nakakasuka. And number 5, despicable. Tagalog pwedeng nakakahiya. Kaya sa translation ni Malupiton, sa salitang kupal, sa phrases na yan is scumbag, which is absolutely correct. Okay, game. Next. May trabaho kang marangal, nakuha mo pang magnakaw ng pintura. By the way, itong mga Tagalog na ita-translate ni Malupiton, most is mga dialogue niya to. Ayan. Sagutin mo yun, Malupiton.
You have a respectable job yet? You still manage to steal a can of paint?
Nice, a can of paint. Ha? Right, next. Ang sekreto para magtagumpay ka sa buhay, hindi lang basta diskarte o diploma, kailangan mukha ka ring burat. Sorry. Go!
The secret to your success in life is not just a strategy or a diploma. You also need to look like a big head.
Okay, big head. By the way, ang word na diploma is also English word. Next, huwag mong bantayan ang trabaho ng katrabaho mo. Hindi yan ang pinasukan mong trabaho. Kupal.
Don't watch your co-worker's job. That's not what you applied for. Scumbag.
Galing, ha? Galing siya, ha? Next. Hindi to sapilitan, pero ikaw at ang mga kasama mong kupal kailangang sumali sa palaro. Go!
It's not mandatory, but you and your fellow scumbag have to join the game.
Congrats, Malupiton, kasi halos lahat naitama mo ang translation at daig mo pa ako. And I never thought that you have another talent aside from comedy. Do you have any comment?
Yes, Mike, I am thankful to be part of your content. It's very educational, yet so entertaining. And I guess you're good looking as well.
Siya nagsabi na, ha? But anyway, thank you for allowing me to have you here. And eto naman ang para sa inyo, guys. I-try nyo i-translate sa English coming from my sweetheart. Joke lang. Pakinggan natin.
Kung alam ko lang na sarado ang kalsada, sa iba sana ako dumaan.
Write your answer to the comment section at malalaman natin ang sagot in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and click subscribe. See you next time.